from the beginning, this is a purchase order from India for hardware and software.
Yeah.
Okay, you start by separating the. This is received from Tu. Tu and Mylin will give you this. Okay.
Take
Yeah.
this.
So what is that?
The purchase order.
Okay.
Purchase order.
And then make a copy. So this is the copy.
Yeah.
We stamp the copy.
You have to remove the lid.
uh,
No, not like that. The gray one.
okay.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, and then right
Okay.
here. This is the copy, and then this is the original. And then now the copy on top, and then this is in the middle.
In the middle. Yeah.
This in the middle, and then this should go underneath.
Yeah.
And then so this we have two, huh?
No, total of 3. Yeah. 2 and 1.
We will look at
It's the
the
same item number. I have no idea why they split it. Yeah. So what you do now, you take the whole set, sales order, discrete job report, and make one copy. You know?
And this order is for how many hardware and how many software?
It's for 3 hardwares.
3 hardwares. Okay.
Yeah. So let's first check the hardware. So leave the original over there, and the copy goes in the back.
the whole thing
Yeah, the whole thing, the whole copy. At the okay.
like this.
All right. So now you also have to prepare the paperwork for Cuong.
Cool.
Okay.
Then one more.
I'll show you. No. So on the sales order, you have 3 units. Yeah.
So this is only for Albert.
That's only for Albert. Yeah.
This is the first set is for Albert. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
So you have a total of 3 units, and they split it into 2 lines, even though it's the same product number. Yeah. Okay. So in this case, what I do is I have to copy the sales order 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
For the total quantity. The discrete job report, because I have 2 lines, yeah, or let's say 2 different products, I have to copy 2 times. Okay. Copy 2. Okay, so I have the original again, and the original goes on top. So shipping for Albert hardware is done. Okay. So now for manufacturing, yeah, I have 3 times the sales order.
3 sales order for 3 items.
Yeah. 3 sales
Hardware
order
items.
for 3 hardware items. So I count 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. All right. So sales order line 1 for 2 units. Yeah, I highlight the part number. Okay, and the work order for the quantity of 2, yeah, is 73773. Write down the work order number, 73773. Okay. So I take the first one, and the first sales order goes along with the first discrete job report. Yeah. So we're now coming to box number 2 out of 3. I only have to highlight the part number because it still belongs to the same work order number. Okay. All right. So line number 1 is now covered. So I come to line number 3, yeah, or line number 2 for the third unit.
Right.
Okay. So I highlight the part number, and now the sales order number for the one with the one quantity.
93774.
Yeah, 73.
Oh, 73774.
73774. Okay, and that discrete job report goes with unit number 3. Okay, hardware for Cuong. So now we have the software. Yeah, for Array India. Again, purchase order, 1 copy. All right, so copy goes on top of the sales order submission form, original goes behind. The pro forma invoice also goes behind. Yeah, so now we have the sales order, but we don't for the support. Yeah, so they're ordering then 3 years of support for each unit. Yeah, okay, so there are no work orders because Array India doesn't have work orders. Yeah. So in this case, I need 1 for the back and 3 for Cuong. So I have to make 4 copies. 4 copies of the sales order. Okay, so one of the copies goes in the back for the shipping documents for Albert, and the original sales order goes on the top. Yeah, so we have covered now the shipping document for Albert. Again, we highlight that it's Array India. Put a flag here so that in the whole chaos he doesn't forget about that. Yeah. And then you can merge together the hardware and the software for shipping. Yeah. All right. So now for manufacturing, we have 3 times support. Yeah. So we count 1 of 3, 2 of 3. 3 of 3. Okay, so the first line has 2 items. Yeah, so we highlight the part number and the support term and merge that together with the hardware documents for unit number 1. Yeah, which is 1 sales order and the discrete job report. Yeah, and also here on one of the items we just say India, put a flag. Okay. Staple it. Item number 1. Item number 2 of the first line, same thing, part number, term, take the sales order for the hardware, and the two go together. All right, number 3 belongs to the second line. Highlight the part number, the term, and that goes together with the hardware part
And the discrete
number 3,
job
and
order.
the discrete job. Okay. All right. That's for Cuong. So we have another one done. With this one here, you can keep it, and tomorrow we make a hard copy for you guys, that you have a reference, that you can always pull up if you're unsure how to do it. Okay. Don't lose it. Make a copy. Tomorrow we make a copy, and then give it back to them.